Hi guys, if you've got enough money coming in each month, then skip this video. But if you'd like a big boost and you want something that's completely different, you got control of your funds all the time, and you're interested in earning a passive income, carry on watching this video, because I think what I'm about to show you is going to blow your socks completely off. Let's go to my laptop so I can show you. Now, what I want to do is introduce you to Johnny Blockchain. It's a trading robot that works on decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap and Uniswap, and also works on centralized exchanges like Binance, Binance.com and Binance US. I'm going to show you some of the users' accounts. So I'm in this user's account here, and I'm going to go over to his dashboard, and I'm going to go to the earnings calculator. So if we look here, this user, last profit in the last 30 days, $1,072. Now, would an extra $1,072 help your bottom line, help your bank account? In the last 7 days, he's earned $649, and so far today, he's earned just over $63. So this guy is earning just over $1,000 a month. Let me show you another user. So we're in this user's account. Let's go to his dashboard, and we'll go over to his earnings calculator, and you can see there that this guy in the last 30 days has earned $13 just over with his PancakeSwap bots, and $986 with his Binance bots. So far today, he's earned just over $74, over $510 in 7 days. So this guy is also earning over $1,000 a month. Let me show you another one. So I'm in this guy's account now, and I'm going to go to the dashboard, and we're going to go straight to his earnings calculator. This guy in the last 30 days has earned $868. In the last 7 days, $447, and so far today, just over $76. Would those numbers help your bank account? Let's go and have a look at his trading robots. So this guy is mainly running Binance bots, as you could see here. They've got the white background, but look at that one. The first one started on the 4th of March, earned 415%, 367% there, 21%, 390%. 458, 903%. How crazy is that? This bot's earned him $180. He's only trading with $20 a time. 344%. Absolutely mind-blowing ROIs. But let's show you another one. So I'm in this guy's account here. I'm going to go to the dashboard, and straight away we're going to go over to his earnings calculator. And as you can see, this guy's running a PancakeSwap decentralized trading robot, and in the last 30 days he's earned $795. Absolutely mind-blowing. Let's go over to his trading robots, and as you can see here, he's got 283%, 62%, amazing ROIs, 175, 49, 74. I mean, the numbers don't lie. And let me just show you this actually, because these trades can be seen on the blockchain. So if I click on here and go to his trade log, he made 41 cents. Look at all those trades down there. And if I click this blue button, it takes me over to the blockchain to show me that the trade was done 32 hours ago. So you could see here the trade did this. It took the elephant, this trunk, from his MetaMask wallet into PancakeSwap's liquidity pool. So it traded on PancakeSwap, immediately put back Tether, the stable coin, into his wallet. You could see there that it put back $101 into his MetaMask wallet. And if you look at Johnny Blockchain, you could see there 101 back inside his MetaMask wallet. The blockchain doesn't lie. These ROIs don't lie. There's never been a more safe and easy way to set up a passive income. Now, if you want to create your own trading robot, below this video, you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to Johnny Blockchain. You can either use it with a MetaMask wallet and PancakeSwap or Uniswap, or you can set it up with Binance.com and Binance US. You've got decentralized trading or centralized trading. Your funds stay inside your wallets all the time. So if you're using the decentralized, your funds stay inside your MetaMask. If you're using the centralized on Binance, then your funds stay inside your Binance account. You don't have to send your funds to this platform to do the trading for you. You can create a free account by clicking on sign up or register. And if you look down the bottom here, you'll see that we've got 105,000 in passive income for the members so far. You'll also see that there's over $7,000 paid in affiliate commissions. It's also got affiliate program, 98.4% of profitable trades, 0.5% of bought back broke even, basically. And then we've got 1.1% of negative trades. It means that they made a loss. But, 98.4% of positive trades. Absolutely mind-blowing system. It really works. It does what it says on the tin. It's a trading robot that works with PancakeSwap, Uniswap, and Binance.com or Binance.us. Create your free account. Click on any of these buttons, sign up or register. It's going to bring you here. Pop your name, your email address, password, put some ticks in these boxes. Click on this box here to say complete my sign up. You can have a look round, and when you're ready to get started, if you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, it's going to cost you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots as you like. If you want to set up a centralized trading robot with Binance, it's going to cost you another $25 a year, and you can set up as many robots as you like. So if you want to set up both decentralized and centralized trading robots, it's just $50 a year for as many trading robots as you like. Click the link below, come and create your free account, and happy trading.